Medicinal garden kit reviews, is it worth it? Has the idea of pursuing an all-natural approach to wellness ever occurred to you? Not sure if it would help you achieve better health? The general public has been left wondering what the true need is for lab-created medicines as research on all-natural medicine expands. People might question whether certain treatments are helpful for minor health issues, even though a handful of them are required for survival. For instance, is it advisable for people to take Tylenol whenever they experience a headache? An herbalist, biologist, and anthropologist, among others, places greater value on plants because they are believed to contain potent properties that can be used to handle the more manageable daily challenges first. The case of Nicole Apelian is exceptional because she used herbs to treat a condition that Western society had deemed incurable. Interested in finding out how she transformed from a bedridden person to a healthy and active mother of two? The purpose of this review is to introduce the Medicinal Garden Kit. What is the Medicinal Garden Kit? The purpose of the Medicinal Garden Kit is to give people the tools they need to start a medicinal garden, in the convenience of their own backyards. Nicole Apelian, the kit's creator, is absolutely convinced that doing so will enable everyone to take control of their health, just as she did to manage her multiple sclerosis. This kit, in our opinion, is as complete as it gets, given that the expert selected all of the seeds for 10 herbs, which are accompanied by a free medicinal guide. Growing plants is one thing, but Nicole Apelian believes that making sure they are used properly and safely should be greatly prioritized. In light of everything, let's disassemble the kit to discover how a common background can be transformed into an all-natural pharmacy. What does the Medicinal Garden Kit comprise? In unpacking the Medicinal Garden Kit, people will quickly find 10 different seeds. As noted earlier, the seeds for 10 fundamental herbs have been included in this kit. Below is a quick summary of what each herb is meant to achieve from a health aspect. Chicory, pain relief, better digestion, and a decoction for adrenal fatigue. Yarrow, eases swelling and varicose veins, halts bleeding, and heals bruises. California poppy, promotes deep sleep. Marshmallow, relieves heartburn and reflux, repairs skin, and eases throat aches. Chamomile, relieves irritated eyes, stomach aches and skin ulcers. Evening primrose, treats symptoms related to poor digestion and enhances skin health. Lavender, eases anxiety, and treats fungal infections, acne, and dry and blotchy skin. Echinacea, stimulates the immune system and rids the body of inflammation. Calendula, treats most skin problems. Feverfew, treats inflamed joints, migraines, and eases bruised skin. Educational brochure. Although some might contend that the aforementioned seeds serve as the kit's cornerstone, our editorial views them as just one component of a larger two-part system. The educational component is the other factor that is equally significant. Individuals will be unable to distinguish a useful herb from a useless one unless they are educated on its history, use cases, and proper treatment. In this regard, Nicole Apelian took care to explain each herb's origin and laid out the major plant substances that have health benefits. Additionally, each brochure will provide users with information on how to seamlessly incorporate them into their daily routines, the advantages that arise in the backyard, and recipes that reveal various medicinal properties of the same herb. How much does the Medicinal Garden Kit cost? Currently, the Medicinal Garden Kit is available for $59. Nicole also made sure to protect each purchase with a 365-day money-back guarantee because she says she has faith in her creation. If individuals are dissatisfied with this purchase for any reason within the first year of purchase, they must contact customer service for a full refund.